Thunderstorm watch number 35, effective until 2 a.m. Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Bureau, Carroll, Cook, Cal, Grundy, Payne, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, McHenry, Vogel, Hamilton, Whiteside, Will, and Winnebago, and the following: Winter Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, and Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large and damaging winds close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, you should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.